Let's check out the TP-Link Tapo C660 KIT, a 4K 8MP solar-powered pan/tilt security camera. Inside the box, we have the wire-free camera, a separate solar panel, the wall mount bracket, screws, and the user manual. Notice the premium build, sleek design, and lightweight components. Everything you need for a professional outdoor setup. Now let's install it. Choose a sunny outdoor wall and fix the wall mount bracket with the included screws. Attach the camera securely, then mount the solar panel beside it, angled toward the sun. Connect the solar cable, no outlet needed, and watch the camera power on automatically. Once mounted, it rotates smoothly 360 degrees, with AI tracking following people, pets, or vehicles. On-screen icons show detection and Wi-Fi connectivity, making setup quick, easy, and completely wire-free. The Tapo C660 KIT delivers high-tech security with